In this video, we will discuss about NFT. What is NFT? What is the definition of NFT? What exactly is NFT? It stands for non-fungible tokens. In simple words, it stands for non-exchangeable tokens. Do not worry about the non-exchangeable factor of NFT. We will explore further in the other slides about the advantages of it. This unique feature of non-exchangeable makes NFT unique in cryptocurrency field. Fungible or fungibility. Fungible meaning is replaceable or returnable or substitutive. Money. Freely exchangeable or gold coins which can be traded with the other commodities. Currency notes or bills which can be exchanged with other forex markets. Cards. Substitutable credit cards or debit cards or any other products which can be substitutable. Credit cards can be upgraded from bronze, silver, gold or platinum. Non-fungible is non-convertible or non-exchangeable. Non-convertible, a message. Non-substitutive, a ticket that gives you access to an event or a coupon. Non-exchangeable, a digital collection, digital art. Non-replaceable, a domain name or a website. We have first a Twitter message which was sold to whopping $2.9 million. In 2021, an artist sold this image for $69.3 million. Cryptopunks is a new kind of iconic figures that created in NFT world, which sold to $7.58 million. Another Cryptopunk that sold for $7.5 million. Axie Infinity. This is a virtual game that is based on Ethereum. Genesis plot. It's a very rare in the game, and it was auctioned to whopping $1.5 million. CryptoKitties. These are very rare form of CryptoKitties. These are top 10 NFT projects based on the volumes, US dollars. You can check out these NFT sites later for reference. What is a token? In general, a token is an object that represents something in a different form which has a priority. Like an object, either be it a physical form or virtual, or it can be a commitment of a time frame or an abstract concept or an idea. For example, a consultation is sometimes referred to as a token. Example 2. A token represents prioritization of resources. Let's take a real world example how the token system works. Your money, that is fungible element, which will be in form of physical asset or virtual entity. This form of currency is converted into a token to get prioritization of resources. Pizza example. You go to a McD and buy a token for pizza. The token doesn't hold any value outside the pizza shop, but the token is prioritized inside Pizza Hut. This token will be exchanged in return of goods or materials, which includes a waiting period to get the resources delivered. In computers, there are a lot of tokens. One is a programming token. Do not worry about all these jargons now. We will only focus on NFT. Second is a token ring. Third is a security token. The NFT concepts are completely different from all these computer tokens. However, it involves technical features of computer programming and networking. We're not going to discuss anything related to programming or networking. Our focus will be on cryptocurrencies. Now we will investigate the realistic example of a token system in NFT. Our fiat currency is converted into digital money or legitimate tokens. These tokens will then be used to hold or own an item. NFTs are sold and traded online. These tokens will hold a digital certificate of ownership that can be interchanged with another item. NFTs are protected in a digital ledger, popularly known as blockchain technology. The aggregators or collectors will auction or bid for um, insufficient resources like photos, videos, apps, games, and other digital art. At the time of this recording, physical assets like real estate are not vastly used due to regulatory and federal litigations. What is fungible? Fungibility. Fungibility is divided into two forms: intangible and tangible. Intangible resources are like Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies or any digital resources. Intangible is often considered as vague or obscure or immaterial, where we see only logic and logarithm in its value. Tangible resources are in physical form, which are real, touchable, or perceptible, like diamond, gold bars, currency bills, or coins. Non-fungibility is divided into physical and digital. Physical assets are subdivided into movable and immovable. Physical assets like property are immovable. Assets like car, two-wheeler are movable. Our area of focus is now on non-fungible digital assets. A digital asset can be in the form of photography, digital art, or unique elements. Example, first Twitter message or a cartoon, or example, idea or a concept. This is original artwork and the other one is non-fungible token. Below is the address of NFT art. The original art will be in physical form and the NFT will be in digital form. Sample cartoon picture. Let's take this as an example of NFT art. We have physical currency in fiat form being converted to tokens or digital bits. These digital bits are auctioned to own a digital assets. Aggregators will collect, resell, trade these assets, which we call it as NFT, and their ownerships are recorded in blockchain.